I just got sent some brand new Hawkglow LED headlights for my Honda Civic right here. These are their RD09 series, specifically the 9005s. So these are the high beams for this car. So today we're gonna throw them in and see how they work. In the box here you get obviously your headlights and a little instruction manual here. It's got some more information about the headlights and how to install them. So these look super cool, super high quality. So let's get them thrown in and see how they look. So on this car, this is a 06 Honda Civic. The passenger side is super easy. The light's just right here. You just push down on that little clip, slide the connector off, and then you can twist the headlight out. So here's the light I just took out of the car, and here's the new Hawkglow light we're about to put back in. So this one looks a little bit nasty. And I mean, the old ones, they work, they work all right, but I think this new one will be a whole lot better. So I'm really excited to get this in and actually see what it looks like in the dark. We'll test this out a little bit later on tonight. It also looks like there's a little fan in the back of these lights to keep them cool. So that's really cool. These look like super high quality. Just a note here as well, on this new LED bulb, it has a positive and negative, so it has to go in a certain way, whereas the old halogen bulb, it doesn't matter which way you put it in, it'll work either way. So if you plug it in backwards, it won't damage the bulb, it will just not shine. So then you'll just have to flip the connector around, but you won't hurt the bulb if you plug it in backwards. So you just gotta plug it in a certain way and see if it works, and if it doesn't, then you can plug it in the other way. But you're not gonna hurt anything by just plugging it in and seeing what happens. Alrighty, I got the first light all set in there, so now it's a little bit bright out, so it'll be hard to see, but I want to see, just check and make sure that it's actually lighting up, because I might have put it in backwards, but we shall see. So if we lights, brights, let's check it out. Alright, so on this side we got the old stuff. Oh, would you look at that. So on this side here is the old headlight. That's the old high beam in there, the original one. And then over here, we've got the new Hawkglow LED, which is so much whiter and so much brighter. So that's gonna look really good. Look at the difference between those two. That is crazy. I'm really excited now to test this out tonight because it's a huge difference already. Now we just gotta get the driver's side in and then wait like 12 hours until it gets dark, and then we can test it out and see how it looks in the dark. On the driver's side for this car, you've got to take out this little coolant tank thing. I think it's like a little overflow reservoir or something like that. And then you can get to the light, which is in there somewhere, but you can't really see it because it's really dark. All right, here we go. Now we can see them both on at the same time for the first time. Look at that. Dude, those look so much better. So much better. The old ones were just orange and just kind of dim like those ones, but these are so bright. So when it gets dark later on tonight, then we can test these out in the dark. You probably can't hear it from the video, but you can hear the fans on the lights turning on right now. That's so sick. Huge thanks to Hawkglow for sending me these lights. They look awesome already, and I'm sure they'll be great at night. I'll have links to both just these headlights and to their website in the description. If you're interested in checking that out, you can use the coupon code GRANT15 for 15% off of your purchase from their website. All right, so it is, obviously quite dark outside now. We got the high beams in, right? So these are the low beams on right now, and check this out. When I turn on the high beams, look at how bright that is. Here we go again. We got low beams on, high beams. Dude, that is crazy. It's like comically bright. Dude, these lights are literally just the sun. Like, it is so crazy bright. Okay, we can stop right here so we can actually take a look at the lights from the outside. The gas pumps are talking with the little screens on there, so that's annoying me. But anyways, hopefully you can't hear that. Here's the low beams right now, right? Boom, high beams. Okay, so after testing those out in the dark, these lights are incredible. Hawkglow absolutely rocks. If you want to check them out, again, there'll be links in the description, and that discount code that you can use, GRANT15, for any purchases that you make on their website. Huge thanks again to Hawkglow for sending me these lights. I'll definitely be buying more lights from them in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video or learned something from this video. If you want to see more videos about this Honda Civic, you can click right up here for a playlist about videos on that, or right up here for just another video from this channel, and I will see you over there.